In today's video we're going to cover one of the most forgotten parts of cleaning the car, the door shuts. You see them every time you get in and out of the car, but it's amazing how many people don't clean these. So let's get into it. So for cleaning the door shuts you'll need either a hose or a pressure washer. I'd advise turning the pressure washer right down. Citrus pre-wash or an all-purpose cleaner, a bucket with some shampoo, a brush for agitating. I like to have a dedicated cloth, or you can use a wheel mitt. Don't use the same one you use on your wheels though, because you might get some cross-contamination, so if you have a spare, these are ideal. When using a pressure washer, the force of the water can sometimes cause unwanted overspray into the cabin. Simply switching off the pressure washer allows for a much more manageable jet of water. The first step is to rinse off any loose dirt using the pressure washer or the hose. When spraying the door, make sure not to spray directly inside the locking mechanism. Another often overlooked part is the underside of the door. These can get very grubby. The next step is to give the door shuts a good covering of citrus pre-wash or all-purpose cleaner. This is then followed up by a good wiping down with your wet mitt, making sure to use plenty of soapy water. The real benefit of using one of the wheel mitts is that you can get right into all those little nooks and crannies and tight spaces inside the door shuts. If you have a suitable brush, these are great for getting around the locking mechanism, and they can also be used to go around the seals. Once everything's been wiped down, it's then a simple case of just rinsing off all the suds. Again, making sure not to spray directly into the lock. When it comes to the boot shut, it's better to remove the parcel shelf where possible. This improves access to the top of the opening. When doing the top of the boot shut, you want to keep a very steady hand and really keep control of the spray of water to avoid soaking the rear seats or the roof liner. And remember to get all those little hidden spots that are covered by the boot door. For drying the door shuts, I like to use a ceramic detailer as this gives a nice shine and makes the next clean much easier. You also need a clean microfibre cloth. Give the door shuts a couple of sprays with the detailer, and then simply dry and buff with the microfibre towel. Not forgetting to repeat the process on the inside of the doors. And there you go, a quick and easy guide to cleaning door shuts. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and consider subscribing. It costs nothing and helps the channel. Catch you in the next one.